How to change the Mi Fitness app's account password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily change your MiFit app's password. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Now let us jump right in. So this is the MiFit app. It was previously known as MiFit, but now its name is changed to Zepp Life. So what you want to do first is head over to your settings. Head over to your app settings and simply search for that app. And then what you want to do is first clear out all of its data. So just tap on data, and then from here you are going to clear out data, but you have to make sure that something is connected to your account. As you can see here, if I go to my profile, tap on settings and head over to account and security, I have my Google account connected to it. If you have your Mi account or Facebook or WeChat account connected, that's fine as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this one and then head over to storage and then tap on clear data. So it will permanently delete all of its data. Now you're going to open up the app again. Now here you have different options. So the first thing you're going to do is enter your email address. And once you have entered your email address, tap on forgot password. Now tap on reset password by email. Just enter your email address here. And once you have done that, just enter this code here. It's 4423. And then click on OK. Now it will send you a verification code on your email. And if you have your account connected to your email, you could just reset your password from there. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.